Hello everyone, our today's topic is how to record or generate scripts in Playwright. If you want to get started with testing quickly or you are new to automation, the Playwright gives you the ability to generate tests using the code generator feature, Codegen. Using the Codegen tool, Playwright automatically generates the code based on the action we perform on the web page. So to open, type npx playwright Codegen, your website name. Here www and https are optional depending on how redirect works on your website. Once you will type the command, it will open two windows. A browser window where you can interact with the website, and Playwright Inspector window where you can record your test. Here you can see it already recorded test, imported test and expect, created a test scenario and visited the page programspatch.com. To record a test, start performing action in the browser. Playwright CLI will generate code automatically. So click here at the bottom, line number 8 and 9 generated. Now click on login. In Playwright Inspector, you can see line 11, 12 and 13 are generated. If you want to stop in between and do not want to record anything, click on the record button. Now your recorder will stop, and if you will type something, nothing will be recorded in the Playwright Inspector. You can see after line number 13 we got nothing here. To resume again, click on the record button again. It will be highlighted with red color. Now type your username, my username. You can see line number 18 and 19 generated. Then enter password. Line number 25 is generated. Click on login. It clicked on login using the text selector and verified that expected URL is this. You can see complete script is generated automatically with our actions in browser. You can also switch to the language of your choice from the target drop down. Here you can select Java, JavaScript, Python and few other languages. And from this button you can copy code and paste it to the class or script file. And after pasting it to the file, you can run your code or use the debugging feature. For how to use the debugging feature, you can watch our previous video. Instead of manually copying and pasting code after creating the file, you can create the file and generate code inside it using the command line feature. Type npx playwright Codegen -- target, then your target language -o, then your output directory along with file name with extension, and then your website name. So this will create script in JavaScript language in following file created in test folder. Press enter. Click anywhere. stop and check your test folder, you can see my file name is created with code generated automatically. It visited programswitch.com and navigated to tutorials and then Playwright tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.